everybody, welcome back. Tanya here. Thanks for tuning in today. Today I'm doing a lot of fun stuff today. Today I'm going to show you my inexpensive semi-annual alcohol, and then I'm going to make us a quarantini, and then I'm going to shout out a few of my favorite YouTube creators. Okay, so let's get started. First, to stock up your bar, first thing, get some simple syrup, and then once this is gone, you can make your own of equal parts sugar and water. Put it back into this jar, and then I got some Rose's grenadine that adds a lot of color, and then I got some peach schnapps. I'm from Georgia. Need some peach schnapps in there. Gotta hit it with the peach schnapps. And then I got some on the house a sweet and sour mix. Blue curacao, my favorite. I love making blue drinks. And then some lime juice. This is sweetened. Okay, now just because we have a pandemic, I said I'm not going to stop. This is my semi-annual haul, so I did a smaller bottle, but I'm still going to stock up my bar cart this year. And here's some Gold Bacardi rum, white Bacardi rum, and have some tequila, Jose Cuervo. I got this. This is good for the drink I'm going to make. My favorite is Patron. That's the shot wine. Shot tequila. And so, okay, so that's it. So now let's make this. Let's make, what are we having? A quarantini. And this is packed with vitamin C. So I'm using fresh orange juice. I'm going to hit it with some peach schnapps. Here's the orange juice I have. And then we're going to put a shot of tequila in there. Okay, so let me get some ice. Forgot to get the ice. Okay, I got some ice. One shot of tequila, which is normally like 1.5 ounces. This is a 1.5 ounce shot glass, okay? And I'll turn this down. This is freshly squeezed orange juice. One shot. 2 shots. 3. Okay, and then I'm going to do 1 shot of peach schnapps. Gotta hit it with the peach schnapps, like I said. I'm quarantined in Georgia, so right. Give it a good shake. That's why a lot of people don't like to use these Boston shakers. But I did this several times today, and it worked until now. Okay, so now I'm going to strain it in my martini glass. Yes, ma'am. Garnish it with an orange, and that is our quarantini. That's fierce, y'all. Ooh. Fresh orange juice, a hint of the schnapps, and that tequila. Nice kick to it. This is nice. This is nice. And I needed me a drink. I've been quarantined since March. I've only gone out probably once a month to the grocery store, once since then. So I'm like, I'm going to get my bar cart together because I'm used to stocking my bar cart like in around Memorial Day, because we get people that come over all summer long, so I like to have something, and then I'll do it again around Christmas time. So okay, so that's cool. So we got our drink done, and I want to give a special shout out to all of my subscribers. I appreciate you guys so much. I appreciate you rolling with me, and I look forward to continued service with you guys. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to or comments, put them in the comments. Now, a few of my special people I want to shout out today channels are Sister Cousins. She has a lifestyle channel, and she does a lot of travel. She does tablescapes. She does a lot of things, and it's for the woman of a particular age. So I love her channel. Miss Sparkle Love. It's not Miss. Her channel is Sparkle Love. Tablescape Queen. I'm always so excited to see what she's doing. Me, Myself, and DIYing It. That's Tammy. And she does awesome DIYs. And she's a glam lady. And she can transform items just so beautifully. She does tablescapes and a lot of stuff. DIY Designs by CCW. Love her lifestyle channel. And also Home Decor, DIYs, and more with Tangy Webb. Love her channel. She does a lot of home and lifestyle issues as well. So special thanks and a special shout out to all of these ladies. Subscribers, thank you guys so much. Anybody new here, I welcome you to come on in to subscribe. I do like more home entertaining stuff, bar carts, tablescapes, buffet design, just how to entertain at home and on a budget. All right, so thank you guys so much. Don't hesitate to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload any new content. Okay, bye. Let's keep rolling.